see what things look like out here today. Well, it's bright, that's for sure. There's the neighbor kid. And we're going to take a look. Brought a tape measure with me. I know what we got, but I live in Shakopee, which is just south of Bloomington on the map. I'm going to maneuver this tape measure here. And we got the epicenter of the snowstorm. So, right here in the driveway, you can see 17 inches on the side of the driveway. But that's not where the windrow was. What we really got yesterday, well, Shakopee got 22 inches. So there's 20 inches of snow right there. That's what that looks like. And zoom back out. 22 inches here. Most of the Twin Cities got 16 inches. That's enough to bring the roof of the Metrodome down. Here's the front yard. And I'm going to zoom down there. Is that pile right there? If you can see that little pole sticking out. There should be another one. I'm getting it right here. 2 poles that I put up so the plows won't rip up my front yard, which they've already done earlier in the season. But those poles are about 7.5 to 8 feet tall. So you can see I've got a 6.5, almost 7 foot pile of snow up on top of the end of the driveway here. Awesome stuff. Not really. Give you a little sense of perspective. There's the neighbor. He works for a restaurant. He's got the Coors Light van. So you can see as high as a car going across. That's a nice snowstorm. But I've got the driveway finally, after 3 attempts yesterday to keep up with the snow, finally cleared out. Good stuff. Thought I'd share that with you. Now the snow's gone, but the brutal cold is coming in today. It's going to be 18 below tonight, 25 to 35 below wind chills. So probably not a good idea to do anything outside. Anyways, that's life in Minnesota. Guess that's what I get for living here. Anyways, hope everyone's having a great weekend. Talk to you again soon. Bye.